Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. If you're watching the replay of this comment replay, I just wanted to go live and share some new things with you all. I had a shipment come in today, or a delivery, that I ordered on the 1st, so it took a little bit to get here, but it is finally here. And I have some surprises and some new stuff that's coming this fall, so I'm really excited to share everything with you guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I will put links in the comments, and if you have any questions or anything, let me know. But I just like to go live with these every once in a while, or post them on YouTube, and share my thoughts on new things and my review, because I know you guys like my honest opinion. So that's just what I like to do every once in a while. But, and if you're watching the replay of this, comment replay, if you're watching this on YouTube, I would love it if you would like this video and subscribe. So, thank you so much. All right, so first we have the scent of the month for August. And I'm just going to be honest, this is my first time seeing a lot of this, as well as it's definitely my first time smelling any of these. So, just keep that in mind. This should be a pretty, honest opinion. I mean, I try to be honest anyway, but it's literally like a first sniff sort of deal. So the scent of the month for August is Huddle Up, and the warmer is the football warmer that I shared a while back. It's super cute. It literally just looks like a football, but it's a warmer. Really, really cool. It's an element warmer, just meaning it doesn't use a light bulb. It has an internal heat element, and which makes it an element warmer. And that's what melts the wax. So it's really, really cool. I'll put the link in the comments or in the description. So Huddle Up is bold black pepper, crackles in a gathering of earthy vetiver and smooth suede. All right, so again, this is my first time smelling this. This is in the woods category. Oh, this is very nice. So if you like masculine or cologne, manly type smells, this is really, really good. This smells like a cologne that Jeremy has. He has a few of them, so I don't really know which one, but this is really nice. It is, I can definitely get the pepper on there, so if you don't like that sort of thing, it's really not that bad, but I really do pick up on that towards the end. But this is nice. If you like masculine scents, I think you would love this. If you love Mystery Man or White Amber Antique, this is a great one. I'm excited to warm this in my office. Yeah, this is really great. I love it. All right, so that's Huddle Up. That is the scent of the month for August. I'll put the link in the comments. All right, so next we have the Whiff Box for August. And I always love these transition months because you're gonna guarantee that you're gonna get brand new products, and you're going to be the first person to receive them, see them, review them, anything like that. So I did advertise this about a week ago, and I called it a fall preview box, and that's exactly what it is. So if you see this and you're interested, let me know. The Whiff Box is a monthly box that is a surprise every single month. We never know what's going to be in it until somebody shares pictures or something like that on social media. And it is $35. However, most of the time, all the time, it's usually over $40 worth of product. It has been up to $65 worth of product for the $35. So, and you can also add this to a Scentsy Club subscription. That's just Scentsy's subscription service, where you get, regular wax bars, anything that you use that's consumable, and you can also get this monthly, and you can get it at a discount. So I'm just putting that out there, and I'll put the link for the Whiff Box as well as Scentsy Club in the comments. I did post this, but I am working towards a trip to Mexico next year, so I appreciate any and all support, so thank you guys so much in advance. But without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and open the Whiff Box. All right. So you're always going to get a little piece of paper that kind of explains what this is, or the theme, if you will. So it says, out with the old, in with the new. So that's kind of short, but that is our little description. And you kind of have a picture of a new warmer, which is like a mushroom type warmer. I don't remember the name of it, but I know a lot of you are mushroom fans with decor and such. We also have like fall leaves up here, so it just kind of, in a way, tells you that it's a fall preview box. Okay, so first thing I see is washer whiffs. So if you've never used these are essentially washer crystals. You can add these to your washer and it gives your clothing, blankets, bedding, anything like that, a boost of fragrance, and I absolutely love them. They're really great on your towels and bedding. I think it's really great. And actually, this is the smaller size. This is actually going away. We're doing away with the smaller size, but the larger size, I believe it's 48 ounces. This is 16 ounces. So the regular price of this is $14, and the 48 ounce is, I believe, $36. Prices are hard sometimes, so don't quote me there. It's around the $30 range, but a large tub of it will last me, and we're a 2-person household, I understand that, but I do laundry typically 3 times a week or so, and a large tub of 48 ounces will last us like 3 months, so it's pretty good. I love the washer whiffs very, very much. Okay, and I didn't explain which fragrance this was. Magnolia Shimmer is the fragrance. This was previously in the Mother's Day collection, like last year, and it was called Kindness. But I think since he had to do like a name change due to copyright or something for these, so. This is a strong floral, but I like it. It's not overpowering. It's not a floral that I don't like. I think with the, like, I don't have a description of this, like the fragrance itself, but it has like a freshness to it added to the floral aspect, added to the magnolia, I guess. And that's why I really like it. So I'm really excited to try this on, my laundry. Actually, tomorrow's laundry day. So I like to use these on my towels, blankets, anything like that. Clothes too, but I just noticed you can really smell them on like larger pieces of fabric, like a towel, a blanket. I don't typically use this on my comforter because it just doesn't dissolve with the comforter or something like that, like the material. It just depends on what it's made of and whatnot, but I do use this on sheets. Yeah, Magnolia Shimmer, very, very nice. I like it a lot. So that's the washer whiffs. And then we have a bathroom cleaner in sun-drenched cotton. This fragrance was in the Destinations collection, which released a couple of months ago, I think. And this is a great fragrance. I love it so much. It's kind of a masculine cologne type smell, but it also smells very summery at the same time. It's kind of fresh. It's really nice. I like this a lot. So the bathroom cleaner is absolutely amazing. It's very foamy, but there is a setting that you can change on here to make it like not foamy. It's really great for your shower, and sometimes I even mop my floors with it, if I'm honest. But yeah, the bathroom cleaner is amazing. I'm excited to use this. That is brand new for this upcoming season. All right, and then a lot of you have asked me if Scentsy does ice packs and, really takes care of the wax whenever it's really hot. I know in Kentucky, like in Louisville right now, I think it's 87 right now, but the feels like temperature is like 95 or something. So, yes, Scentsy does do these ice packs for the wax, which I absolutely love. Even in the Whiff Box. So it comes with an ice pack. And what I love about these is you can actually keep these for like coolers and camping trips and, cookouts and whatnot. I know I brought just like some wax bars to a cookout over the weekend, and I wanted to keep them. I didn't want them to melt, obviously. So I put 2 of these that I had in the freezer in a cooler with the wax, and it did not melt at all. So it's really, really nice. So yes, Scentsy does do the ice packs. All right, so we have 3 wax bars. All right, put this down. All right, so we have 2 bars that are brand new for fall and winter. And I'm gonna read you the description. This is my first time smelling these. And then lastly, we have the scent of the month for September. That's really a really cool thing, is like every month you get some sort of surprise or sneak peek or first access, that sort of thing. And I'm pretty sure almost every month you get the scent of the month for the next month in the Whiff Box. It's really, really nice. All right, so our first bar will be available in the catalog starting September 1st. So it is Emerald Pear Blossom. And this one, I think is in the fruity category. Yes. So this is Emerald Pear, White Cranberry, and Amber Blossom. So pretty straightforward there. Okay. This is very interesting to be released in a fall and winter catalog. It's in the fruity category. Okay, I can see where this would be like a fall and winter scent, especially fall, because Amber Blossom, whatever that is, mixed with the pear and cranberry. Cranberry is definitely like a winter scent. It's very nice. It's very winter. It almost gives me a piney note, but take that with a grain of salt. Maybe it's just me. This is very nice. I like this a lot. Yeah, I like that. That's really great. So that's Emerald Pear Blossom. I'm excited to warm that, especially in the winter time, but I would probably warm that almost any time of the year. But they did a good job with that one. I like it. I was a little worried at first. All right, next is White Oak Woodland. So the cool thing about this catalog is there's like 3 new woodsy scents, and this is one of them. Woods is my favorite category because that's usually where you get your like masculine cologne type smells, and that's like probably one of my favorites. So White Oak Woodland is Velvet Plum, Creamy Sandalwood, I didn't know sandalwood could be creamy, and White Oak. Ooh, so this is really nice. This is also like a great fall and winter scent. Like it definitely gives me more winter vibes because it's woodsy and I don't know, makes me think of just being like cozy inside with like a fire going or something. I don't know, like we had one and it did not come back this fall and winter. And I don't know if it will come back. I doubt it, not anytime soon. But we had one in the previous fall and winter catalog up until this year, and it was around the campfire. So it literally smelled like a campfire burning, and it wasn't my favorite, but I did like it. This is really similar, but the plum and sandalwood gives it, it's like lighter, and I really like it. It doesn't smell like burning wood. It just smells like oaky, but also you have a little bit of fruitiness in there. This is really nice. I like this a lot. So that is White Oak Woodland. And I don't know, I just really like this color of the label and the artwork. Really cool. All right, next is Frights and Delights. This is the scent of the month for September. I do want to read the description to you. Okay. All right, so this is spooky caramel woods, cloak an exquisite elixir of golden rum and maple syrup. So this is in the spice category. Oh, yep, that's fall. That's amazing. I love this one. Wow, that's fantastic. I love this very much. So you absolutely get the caramel and the woodsiness and the maple syrup. It has to have some kind of spice too. Like, it's in the spice category, but there's no spice in the description. But you get those like fall spices. You don't really get a lot of cinnamon, which I kind of like that you don't, but it's still just really nice. Maybe like nutmeg, which I know is like really similar to cinnamon, but I feel like it's not as strong. So, and don't worry about the golden rum that I mentioned, because it doesn't smell like alcohol or anything. This is amazing. I think a lot of you will really like this. So that's fantastic. That is the scent of the month for September. Very, very good. And it comes in the Whiff Box this month. So that is the Whiff Box and the scent of the month for August. I hope you enjoyed this little review that I shared. If you have any questions, or, you know, if anything sounds good to you, definitely let me know. I'll be getting a pre-order form out for the Harvest collection by this weekend. I'm going to start working on it actually tonight. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. And I'm also going to put the links to the Whiff Box, Scentsy Club, and the Scent and Warmer of the Month in the comments. And if you're on YouTube, everything will be in my description. So let me know if you need anything. But thank you guys so much for watching. I know like this was a little long-winded, but I enjoyed this a lot, and I'm super excited for fall. So thank you guys again, and remember, almost everything in the current catalog is 10% off. So definitely snag things while they're on sale. That means that you can get 6 wax bars for $27 through me. Like, if you message me or order the 6 wax bars that you want, it has to be the ones that are on sale. I can do that for $27, whereas normally it would be $36. So you're saving $9 there. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.